Alright, we're turning canned salmon into something that tastes like somebody's mama cooked it. Drain it really well, and yes, there are bones, they're soft, they're edible, they won't hurt you. Break it up nicely with a fork, then add your eggs, then come with your breadcrumbs or cracker crumbs and mix it up thoroughly. Then come in with your onions, sweet pepper, garlic, mustard, because if at this point it doesn't start smelling good, you need to start over. Now for the seasoning, I like using Old Bay, some paprika, black pepper, and to give it a little Caribbean twist, I add in cilantro, fresh cilantro, and Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Then mix everything really well, combine all the ingredients together. If it's too wet, add some more breadcrumbs, but it really shouldn't be if you followed the directions. Once you're done mixing, heat your oil and start forming small patties. Not too thick, not too thin, but you want to have a nice crispy crust. Now into the hot oil they go. Now you want to make sure that they're golden brown on both sides. Now look at that, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Now like, subscribe, follow, save, and come back, okay?